Well, I think it's going to be quite vibrant, quite big and exciting, very visual, and there's going to be a lot going on. I mean, I think there's puppetry being used, there's going to be a great score, lots of the actors, unfortunately not me, also play lots of instruments.
You will.
They're very clever. But yeah, so it's going to be quite a sort of big visual spectacle, I think, and it's going to be very fast moving.
Yeah, we're all going to be on stage, it's going to happen in front of your eyes, you know, and we'll be using what's available to bring out characters or, you know, props or whatever, so they may not be the things that, you know, they are.
Yeah.
We might be using them in a different way. But that's all part of the experimentation. We haven't quite done that yet, have we?
Yeah, this afternoon we're starting to work on the music, which is going to be very exciting because we've got our musical director joining us who's going to tell us what to do when, and when we pick up our instruments, when we put them down, when we bury them in the sand, and they say never play that again.
Yeah, there's going to be real life sand on stage.
Yeah. I thought you were going to say real life instruments then.
Well,
yeah,
also that.
and that. Yeah.
It's going to be really visual. I think it's going to be a lovely thing to watch, and yeah, and just quite exciting, I think.
I think even though some of the stories in Arabian Nights are quite dark, I think it's going to be a really joyful show, full of lots of happiness and the word I'm looking for is
Energy.
Yeah, energy. Yes.
Well, I hope everybody will leave the theatre feeling very upbeat and ready for some festivity.
Invigoration.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.